Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to tell you about the importance of content. So I'm sure you've heard it so many times, content is king, and I have to tell you that it is incredibly important, especially if you have plenty of content, like written content on your website that is relevant to your niche, that brings value to your readers, and that obviously is well written and well optimized. So at the moment I am working on the competitor research. So I'm comparing what my competitors are doing differently than I do, especially if they rank better than me. Obviously my goal is to improve my rank for new keywords and obviously compare the websites that are already on the first page of Google ranking for those keywords and see what they do differently. So this is obviously important part of research for every business that should be carried, every now and again. And I found a lot of interesting facts that I will continue to add to my strategy going forward. But one of the really interesting facts I discovered that the website that ranks currently on the first page for a number of keywords in my niche, which is SEO, they have plenty of content in the form of pages. So not only blog posts, but they have pages written as blog posts. So they've got pages linking from the top menu, and they write, I would say, I don't know, I didn't really measure how many words, but on I would say between 1,000 1,500 words for each page with plenty of images. So it's easy to read, easy to grasp text, because there are paragraph breaks, there are bullet points and so on. But they talk about SEO, so what they do, why SEO is important, how do you benefit from SEO. Obviously all this kind of content that makes their website very valuable to the readers, that puts them in the SEO niche as the SEO experts. So they definitely focus on adding plenty of text in the form of pages. So not only blogging is important, as I have been discussing it so far with you, but also adding content regularly in form of pages. Obviously blog is great because it gives a date to your post. It keeps, so this is this kind of fresh content adds value to Google. But obviously pages are consistently in the same place, and they also bring certain value to Google, obviously different than blog posts. So if you want to improve your rank for your target keywords, definitely opt for adding numerous new pages with at least 1,000 1,500 words per page. Make it SEO optimized, which means make it easy to read, so make it readable, scannable, with plenty of paragraph breaks, plenty of images and so on. And this is one of the best ways right now to improve your organic SEO rank, organic Google rank. So I hope you found this useful. If you have already tried this method, if you're trying a different method that works for you, please leave the your comment below under this video. I'd love to hear from you what works for you, how you managed to get to Google page 1 for your target keyword. And if you're doing competitor research as well, if you found something that is eye-opening, that they do better than you, and you want to obviously incorporate with your business, also let me know, because I would love to learn of new ways that work in this vast SEO field. So thank you so much again for your time, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.